Jeez, the last time we had the car wash, Aaron was a big mess. He cried so bad. So let's see how he's gonna do today.
Do what? Do what? This. That.
It's almost our turn, Aaron. We're going in.
Ah.
Are you sure you're gonna be fine?
This.
Okay, we'll see. What's taking so long? Enter. Are you okay, Aaron? It's okay.
See?
There's nothing to be afraid of, Aaron.
Aaron is here.
You are so fine.
Aaron.
Hey, slow down, Aaron. There's nothing to be afraid of.
Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Hold my hand.
Aaron.
Hold my hand.
Aaron. Wow. Aaron. It's okay. He knows what's next. Aaron. See? Water! Yay!
See? Water!
Yay!
Water!
It's okay. It's okay.
You're fine. You're okay.
Yeah. Get ready. See, Aaron, we're done. We're done. Uh-oh. Sorry.
Aaron, hold my hand. Hold my hand, okay? Aaron, hold my hand. Aaron, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Aaron.
Is he holding your hand?
I know.
Like very tightly. It's not so bad. Water! Water! Uh-oh. Now look. See, it's coming. See? Water! Water!
That's it.
See, that's it. We're done. Wow!
We're not done.
Yeah, I think we are.
No, what you call clear coat.
Yeah, this is not anything heavy. This is just like rain. It's just see rain! Rain! Water! Yay! And why are you so scared? What?
Sorry, Aaron. Sorry.
Alright, buddy, let's go! We got the green light! Yay! These guys gonna blow us dry. How many seconds do I have left? Oh, we still have a long way. Am I going too fast? Can I back up a little bit? This is the longest I've seen now.
1 minute in Papa one day.
Eh?